Good morning, everybody. Today I decided I'm going to vlog. So that's what this is. I'm going to attempt to vlog the whole day. Who knows? I could forget and just stop vlogging halfway through the day. This is on my phone as well, so I get a little annoyed by the end of the day by not having access to my phone at all times because it's filming something, but I'm gonna try and get over it. Right now, I'm literally still laying in bed, and I need to get out, have a quick shower. I'm not washing my hair, even though it's super greasy, because I'm going to get it cut today, so I'm gonna get them to wash it, because it always feels better when someone else washes your hair. Yeah, check out my new fairy lights and my gallery wall. Cool, right? It has an app that I can literally turn them on and off by Bluetooth once I get in my house, or I can fade them so they're not as bright right now. I think they're on full brightness right now, but anyway, I love them. Last time I checked, they were out of stock, not available, which was really sad because I know a lot of people wanted them. Even my sister wanted them because they plug in. They're not battery operated, which is amazing. But I will link them if I can find them. So anyway, I'm gonna go put up my hair and hop in the shower and get dressed. I have to take my sister to work for 11 and it's almost 10 now. So gotta get a move on. Even though I would rather just chill in bed for the morning, because I'm not a hop out of bed and immediately get going kind of person, or I'm just not. I prefer to hang out in my warm, cozy bed for a couple of hours, and then I usually will get up in the afternoon and work till 9 p.m. because it's just more my style. Anyway, I'm gonna stop procrastinating and I'm gonna go shower because I need to. Okay, I just quickly ran through the shower, super quick. I have no makeup on, mostly because I just don't care if I wear makeup. Anyway, my hair is up to hide the grease ball, and I have thrown on clothes that have dog hair all over them, of course, and I will be leaving very, very shortly. I guess I'll show you my outfit. Is that what I do on these things? I don't know. Alright, I guess this is my outfit. Doesn't look like much. This is a sweatshirt dress I got from ASOS last year, and some ASOS leggings, and socks. I will be putting on sneakers when I go upstairs, and my winter coat. As well, I have my canvas bag that they sent me, and that's about it. And I don't even care, no, I don't even care anymore. It's like we're losing all track of time. Alright, I have dropped off my sister to work, and now I'm going to Staples because I need to buy my mom her Christmas present, and she has asked for a tape dispenser. Yes, the most boring present of all presents, but apparently she had a fight last week with her little roll of tape that does not have a tape dispenser, and when I asked her, very well timed, I think, the day before, what she wanted for Christmas, she said, I can't think of anything. And then 24 hours later, she must have been wrapping presents or something, and texted me to say, I know what I want for Christmas. I want an effing tape dispenser. So I'm going to fulfill that wish because it's very hard to get actual gift suggestions out of her, and if you don't give her something practical that she will use all the time, she will throw it out. Which one would she like best? I mean, I would want this one. This one's really cute. But to be honest, she'd probably just like this one. Maybe this one. She's not real fancy like anything, but I might buy this one for myself. Okay, one for me. Alright, so you are precariously resting on the top of my steering wheel while I sit in a not so abandoned parking lot. It's not abandoned, it's not even close to abandoned. So these are the compostable straws. And I'm sitting in the Farm Boy parking lot, so. And they are paper, I think. Paper, they say they're paper, but it's more like a thick cardboard, so it like doesn't crush down. Anyway, they don't really stick to your lips like a lot of paper straws do, but they're not like and they don't get like super soft either, which is a problem I have experienced with other paper straws. So what did I get, you ask? You didn't ask at all, but I know you care. I got the 3 chicken strips combo with fries and chipotle dips. In fact, I got 2 because one is enough for like the fries, and then the other one is enough for the chicken. So
I see everything around me changing again and again. Can't stay in this dead-end relation, 'cause it's fading to gray. I feel everything inside me changes over and over again. Can't wait, knowing that our love is wasted, yeah, wasted. We're running blind and we don't know why. Was it really what we had in mind? We're running wild, only losing time. Yeah, we're left here without love. We're out of time, and time don't wait. We're in heaven, but we lost our way. We're out of time, again and again. Thought we'd make it, but we lost in the end. Yeah, lost in the end. Out of time again. Yeah, we lost in the end. I know living in a line easy. I don't want it no more. I know one of us is going crazy if we don't let it go. I feel everything inside me changing.
Yeah, here you while you're here.
I'll look at it all. I mean, going. Well, it's several hours later after my haircut, and I don't think I've vlogged again since I went in to get my haircut, and I have got sucked into YouTube, the black hole that is YouTube. This is my hair. It's like 2 inches shorter now. I'm at home, obviously, maybe not obviously, I don't know. And I have been watching like 4 straight hours of YouTube videos. I have just gotten really addicted to catnip illustrations. I'll link it in the description because she does these like studio vlogs where when she's working, she's an illustrator. It's just, and they're so cute and so good, and I don't know, I want all of her things, and now I want, like, I'm addicted to her channel, and I don't even know what to do with myself. I have like 4 or 5 more videos that are like at least 15 minutes each. I was supposed to edit a video, and then I started editing the video, and then I hated the video, and now I'm going to refilm the video tomorrow along with like several others. I need to film my Q&A tomorrow. Yeah, all right, it's just a lot, and I got distracted, and like several hours ago I brought this down here. This is I am entitled to the space I occupy mug. It's my merch. And I did have an English toffee in here. I drank it all. And I'm wearing like a blanket wrap because it's so effing cold in here. I live in the basement, and so it's cold all the time. I'm wearing slippers and a sweatshirt dress and leggings and socks, and I'm freezing. And I would really like to go climb in my bed, but I should probably like do something. I don't know. Anyway, this is me not wanting to work. That mess there, I'm gonna leave it there. I'm filming a sponsored video tomorrow that is a room tour, or like a room and studio tour, and I'm going to leave that mess there because I would like you guys to see the reality of how I do things, or like what my room and studio really look like. I'm not going to dress it up for you guys. And I am enjoying the products I was sent for this sponsored video. So like they've made it as part of my routine, I guess. Would I call it a routine? I don't know. Basically, they're part of my life now that I've had them for a couple of weeks, and I'm looking forward to like sharing them with you because they're pretty awesome. But like straight up, I'm not cleaning that mess up because you guys need to know the reality of what it looks like to work for yourself when you're a maker. There's a mess everywhere all the damn time. I will sweep for you guys though. I will sweep. Maybe even dust. Maybe. But anyway, I'm gonna go back to watching catnip illustrations. And I'm going to try and stop myself from ordering like all of her enamel pins and all of her mugs, which I definitely don't need any more mugs. I didn't even need my own mug, but I bought it anyway. By the way, this is the 15-ounce size, and it is huge, like in relation to my head. And my head is pretty big, okay? So it's very large, so if you like a lot of coffee, or a lot of tea, or a lot of hot chocolate, that's the mug for you. Anyway, I'm gonna go. Bye.